Ça va?
مرحبا بكم في مراكش.
Enchanté. Gino?
Hello, how you doing?
Soyez les bienvenus à Marrakech. Et vous pouvez goûter le méchoui, le méchoui royal. C'est le méchoui de Marrakech.
He says that we can try the royal mishwi of Marrakesh here.
People come from miles around for Mustapha's mishwi, or spit roast. He slow roasts the whole lamb and sells up to 40 a day.
Ça fait combien de temps que vous êtes ici?
50 ans.
It's 50 years since he's been working here doing the mishwi. His father and his grandfather were here cooking mishwi.
How do you get a lamb like that cooked? Where's the restaurant?
Moustapha, excusez-moi, où est-ce que vous cuisez vos agneaux?
On a un four là. Vous
got
pouvez
an
le
oven?
voir. Entrez.
Just
allez-y.
behind.
Stop it. Where?
Voilà, allez-y.
May I?
Oui. Ça, c'est le four. On met les moutons ici. Traditionnel.
Oh
Oui.
Wow.
Non?
2 hours.
Oui, et 3 heures du feu, avant 3 heures du feu. Le mouton, à peu près 2 heures.
2 hours.
Oui, pas de sel, sans épices.
No salt, no spices, nothing.
Rien, naturellement.
There's about 12 lambs underneath in that oven there.
I'm hungry.
Oh my lord. And what's the seasoning in there? What is it?
Ça, c'est du sel et du cumin. On a vous goûter.
Merci.
Voilà.
Oh, wow. Don't put too much. But what are you doing?
Put over your top.
I don't need any seasoning.
This looks incredible. Some fat.
Oh my God.
Oui.
Ça, c'est bon.
Delicious.
Oui.
Best lamb I had. Oh. Best lamb. Flaky. Oh. Simple.
It's so tender and succulent, and for me, you'd serve this quality of lamb in a restaurant. I can see this on the menu at the Savoy. Delicious.
Vous êtes des grands chefs. Je suis très heureux de vous.
He said he's very happy to meet a chef, a proper chef for the first time. He doesn't know what you do, so...
All right, let me pay. Combien je vous dois, s'il vous plaît, monsieur?
Merci beaucoup. Ça, c'était magnifique.
Shukran.
Marhaba.
Wa alaikum salam.
Au revoir.
Merci. That has to be the best lamb I've ever tasted. Better than anything in Gino's Bar and Grill.
I am going to make a beautiful mulled wine.
I got a few olives. What about a nice tapenade with a little bruschetta?
We're just having toast. That's it. The olives on toast. That's it.
It's tapenade on bruschetta. So I got black olives, green olives. Then fresh garlic. I put a touch of mint and harissa paste.
Thank you.
Salute.
Salute. Thank you.
Salute. Oh, now
slice of
let's
toast?
relax now. Let's relax. Nice.
Why is it so salty?
It's not salty at all.
That is salty as anything. Take the criticism. As a chef, you just need to know where to draw the line. It's salty.
I've got a present for you.
What is it?
I got it in the market.
Oh, for somebody who doesn't like tapenade with bruschetta, you're doing quite well, are you?
He always complains when I cook something and then he eats everything.
I think he's getting old, that guy.
Well, he's 52. No, he's 53. Fuck me.
Oh, that's awesome.
Are you
Look,
two?
that's it.
Are you two for
We're
real?
ready. This reminds me of Christmas on my house. Argument, and then we cuddle each other.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright.
Oh, Gordon, be careful that red light.
It's flashing, but then it goes off again. It's fine, relax. And how lucky are we to be here in the middle of the saffron harvest?
Ho, ho, ho.
Jingle bells, jingle.
Saffron can only be picked for 3 weeks every year. Today, we're heading to the Ulrika Valley, in the foothills of the Atlas Mountains, for the harvest of the world's most expensive spice.
Talking about expensive spices,
Yes.
what has been your most expensive Christmas present that you received? My one, if I tell you, you won't believe me.
Go on.
My wife went to an auction for charity
Yes.
for £3,700, one pubic hair from Madonna.
What?
That's disgusting.